truck cab just in the woods. Nice view of Lassen Peak there. Awesome. From the other side now. You can hear there's like some logging going on over there. Where chainsaws running and machinery. Up on top of the ridge after coming out of the Lassen Park. We're just climbing up here. Kind of a little group of us all now, southbounders. And before I forget, good morning everybody. Up on top here, green trees growing and manzanitas, and it's a little island of green. So you can see something pretty cool here. I'll show you. It's like rising up from the ashes. You got all these manzanitas and stuff burned away. And then the fire's not too hot, then a little bit of the root survives and it just grows right back. That's so cool. You see that all over up here. Little tree craters. Signposts, they don't grow back the same as the hardy manzanita. Gazelle, all right. Gazelle, where is home for you?
Currently Brooklyn, but I grew up in Washington State.
Wow, Brooklyn. That's a long way. What you doing out here on the PCT?
I started at Kennedy Meadows South, so the southern edge of the Sierras, walked south from there, and then flipped up to Washington and have been more or less coming south from there, skipping around some fires and now down in NorCal.
So kind of a snowbow.
Yeah. Kind of a snowbow, weird flip-flop.
Nice. Have you hiked other long trails before?
No, just section hiking the PCT. My mom's been hiking it since the 70s, so I've come... Actually, my first section hike was in this section.
What's your favorite part of the trail?
Kind of the deep calm and grounding from walking in nature every day and waking up in nature and not being surrounded by screens all the time.
There was somebody in New York that was watching this and they were always thinking like, man, I would like to do that someday. What would you tell them?
Just do it.
Just do it.
Absolutely cooked.
I think we're here. I think on the edge.
Explaining their logging concession rights.
Right.
So, a word to the wise, if you're camping in Chester Park, kind of cowboy camping in the back, sprinklers working back here pretty good. It woke me up. Hastily relocated over here. And yeah. Yeah, so stoked. Hey, good morning, everybody. Venus up there. It's a nice brisk morning here in Chester. Hopefully catch a ride back to trail. Get a nice early start. Going through some Collins Pine Company land this morning. A little rough back there, but should be just kind of peaceful hiking today, I hope. Get a little green. I don't know, we'll see. Frost on the ground here and crossed Soldier Creek, they call it. It's like a bog.
My name is Nudu.
My name's Little Rock.
Where are you from?
We are from South Korea.
Yeah. I met these guys up at Lion's Den.
Yeah.
In the very beginning.
Yeah.
And now we are at Midpoint PCT. Woo! What's in the flask there, man? What's in that water bottle?
This is magic water. Yeah, this is a vodka.
Vodka.
Yeah, 45% alcohol.
Oh, let's dance. I love it. Why not stop for 10 minutes and dance and drink some vodka around a post in the middle of a trail that means absolutely nothing to almost everybody that passes it this year. Oh man. So about the halfway point. It's worth celebrating. For me, I realized I am over 2,000 miles so far. Probably like a day or two ago I crossed it, but that's 1325 or something. At least according to the sign. I don't know about the maps. It might be a little bit different, but 1325 plus the 702, 2,000 plus. Yes, I am just about to the top of this mountain, Butt Mountain. Yeah, I thought maybe it was Butte or something, and I looked again, and on the signage and on the maps, B-U-T-T Mountain. It's a pretty big one. Oh, kind of up on the first cheek, I guess you might say. And right over there is the taller one, the peak, if you will. And still just scorched. Just. Whew. cute. Wow. And it was Lassen. See, I wasn't lying. So there's like Yellowstones, some great ones, and then there's this stone that's made up of like, I don't know, lava, and then all these other rocks thrown in. It's pretty crazy stuff. I wish I knew more about the geology of this place. I don't know, it's a really unique combination going on here. And then with all of the mostly burned out forest, you can see it so clear. Now right here is kind of a nicer area, but yeah. All of those, they're poking out at the tops of the ridges, those jagged mud pile lava stones. Like a stegosaurus spine sticking out the back. The southbound experience is a lot more isolated, and I think like just today with the group that we kind of have hiking around in this little bubble of time and space, I think everybody feels kind of the same way. Yeah, a little bit of a change, and it's awful nice. Yeah. Thank you, friends. Robbers Spring. It's 0.3 off trail, but all the water sources in this stretch are off trail. And I heard the last one was kind of dry, dry-ish. I think Little Rock wearing down to it. Nunu went on. I see his stuff here, and I'm gonna go down there and get some water. I am about empty. Beautiful. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's music to my ears. That's Mount Lassen, way out there now, way off to the north.